Hello and welcome, I'm Beatrice and today's class is a gentle chair yoga class especially targeting the neck and shoulders. So all you need for this is either a chair or any other comfortable seat, maybe even a sofa. So when you're ready, come and practice with me. Starting by grounding, take your palms up or down on your thighs. Ground your feet as well. Maybe close off the eyes if that makes you feel safe. And simply begin to notice your sitting bones on the chair, your feet on the ground, your hands on your thighs. Begin to bring your attention further up to the shoulders and the neck, noticing any tension or discomfort. Begin by tucking the chin down towards your chest. Notice the back of your neck. Roll the head side to side to notice the sides of the neck. Next time your right ear passes over your right shoulder, pause there, take a stretch to the left side, and if this is not enough, you can find the chair with the left hand, the base of your chair. And maybe roll your shoulder back and down and find a bit of opening through the left side of your chest. Take full breaths, but try to soften out that left side. And maintaining this stretch, just turn the head so your nose points down towards your right shoulder. Notice what happens. Notice what shifts in sensations on that left side. Perhaps the stretch is felt a bit further back. Perhaps you can feel it all the way up to the temple like I am. And if it feels good, move between the two. So look forward, breathe in. And look down to breathe out. A couple more times. Bring your chin down to the chest. Release the hand if you're holding and bring the left hand back to your thigh. When you're ready, let's go to the other side. So this time the left ear comes over the left shoulder. And you can stay here or you can reach for your chair with the right hand. Starting to notice differences between the sides when we're taking postures on both sides. Maybe thinking of bringing that shoulder, rolling it down, opening the chest. And take your chin down towards the left. Notice what changes. perhaps begin to invite some movement here. So look forward, breathe in. And look left, breathe out. Breathe in, look forward. Left and down. Last one on this side. Release your hand, release your chin, and bring your head back to center. From here, bring your hands to the back of your head. Let your elbows close in towards each other as your chin tucks down towards your chest. And you might begin to feel a stretch in between your shoulder blades, perhaps higher up at the back of your neck. Whenever you feel a stretch, stop there and take a few deep breaths. And your next in breath, lift the head up, open up the elbows. Take a breath out to center, breathe in, and as you breathe out, twist to the right and keep opening up the elbows. Breathe into center and breathe out to the left. Breathe into center, breathe out to the right. Breathe into center and breathe out left for the last one. Come through to center, relax your arms down, and then take your left arm over the top of the right, bend the elbows and find the back of your shoulders. With the fingertips, imagine pulling the tissues of your shoulders away from each other and round forward until you find a gentle pull. Perhaps you can feel it between the shoulder, perhaps you can feel it lower down, which is normal as well. Maybe rock gently side to side, or you can hold in stillness. Come through to center and switch the cross. So this time the left arm goes underneath the right. Find the back of your shoulders. Pull the tissues forward and round. And maybe rock a bit side to side. Come back up through center. Relax the hold and take your hands now just underneath your collarbones. As you get there, pull the tissues down away from your chin, then reach your chin up, but keep your mouth closed, stretching out the front of your neck. Make your way back to center, keep pulling the tissues down, take your right ear to the right shoulder, and then tilt the chin up to the sky. Moving the stretch now through to that left front and left side. Come back through to center, same thing to the other side. Left ear down, chin up. Notice how the pull feels. A nice myofascial release. Bring the head back to center. Relax your arms. On your in-breath, reach your arms up. Find your right wrist with the left hand and take your arms out to the left. Come back through center, switch sides, find your left wrist with the right hand and take your arms out to the right. Come back through center, relax your hold, reach up to the sky, and as you exhale, reach the left arm forward and the right arm back. And you can take your right hand just behind your back, or you can grab the back of your chair. And take your left hand to the outside of your right knee. Open the chest out, and if it feels good, you can look over your right shoulder. Come back through to center, reach your arms up, up, up. And as you breathe out this time, right arm forward and left arm back. And you can bring the left hand to the lower back, or you can bring it around to the chair and take your right hand to the outside of your left knee. Open up the chest, and if it feels good, you can look over your left shoulder. Come back through to center, take your hands, palms down to your thighs, breathe in, reach your shoulders up towards the ears, and breathe out, roll them back and down. Breathe in, shoulders up to the ears. Breathe out, roll them back and down. Last one, breathe in. And breathe out to roll them down. Settle your shoulders down, maybe close off the eyes once again. And simply notice whatever you might be feeling in the neck, in the shoulders. On your next breath in, reach your arms up to the sky. Take your palms together and breathe out to the center of your chest. And you can close your practice here, or you can bow down and thank yourself for this time with your practice. Thank you very much for practicing with me today. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please like and subscribe and leave me a comment for any requests. Thank you.